Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. As always, I want to first remind you to enjoy. E-N-J-O-Y. Enjoy is our Make It Happen Monday mantra, as well as our go-to acronym. E, eat real food in 12 hours or less daily. N, nurture microbiome. J, join me in moving daily. O, optimize your breathing. And Y, yes to restorative sleep. Today I want to get you excited about tahini, sometimes referred to as tahini paste. This nutritional gem is incredibly delicious and should be a culinary staple in everyone's kitchen. Tahini is simply ground sesame seeds, which are the source of its robust and unique health value. Often referred to as the queen of seeds.
Ooh la la.
And used medicinally for thousands of years. Sesame seeds are exceptionally rich in a host of key minerals and provide a nice dose of vitamin E, fiber, and heart-healthy fats. Their biggest claim to fame, however, comes from two very special, unique phytochemicals, sesamin and sesamolin. Both are potent antioxidants from the lignin family that have been shown to lower cholesterol, prevent high blood pressure, and boost the activity of vitamin E. Keep tahini, again, pure ground sesame seeds, available for sauces and making delectable salad dressings. It is a common ingredient in Mediterranean dishes. I always have tahini in my fridge. The easiest way to use it is to simply drizzle it over salads with whatever vinegar you like, and then stir your salad around to mix the tahini and the vinegar kind of, with the lettuce and stuff. Discounted pre-enrollment is officially open for my upcoming Zoom to Health program. This exclusive offering is the most personal, the most intensive in a great way, and the most powerful of all my offerings. In the Zoom to Health program, I'm going to be with my students every step of the way for an entire year. Students get access to my complete library of e-courses. Yes, all of my courses, there are 15 total, as well as 22 live small group Zoom sessions with yours truly over the year. What's more, students get lifetime access. This is a first to my core e-courses. There's 6 total. These are the e-courses that we deeply focus on one at a time with each other as we progress through the year. With these 6 courses, you will learn how to triumph in the 5 pillars that determine your health journey and would encompass my Healthy Living School mantra, enjoy. E, eat real food in 12 hours or less daily. N, nurture microbiome. J, join me in moving daily. O, optimize your breathing. And Y, yes to restorative sleep. And spouses can take part with you for free. I know that meaningful, lasting behavior change takes time, ongoing education, accountability, and reassuring encouragement all along the way. And that is exactly what you're going to get with this exclusive and intimate, one-of-a-kind program. Simply click the link in this email to enroll or learn more.